Prayer.
ജഗദീശരാത്രിയും ശശാങ്കതാരകങ്ങളും പകലുമർക്കബിംബവും നിറഞ്ഞ മേഘജാലവും മൃഗകദംബ പക്ഷി വൃക്ഷ പുഷ്പശലഭവൃന്ദവും മികവിൽ നിന്റെ വൈഭവങ്ങൾ വാഴ്ത്തിടുന്നു ദൈവമേ. ഗഗനമെന്തൊരത്ഭുതം, സമുദ്രമെന്തൊരത്ഭുതം, നിഖില ജീവജാല ജീവനെന്നതെന്തൊരത്ഭുതം. സകലതും രചിച്ചതോർക്കിലഖിലനാഥനായ നീ. സകല ശക്ത നിൻപദം നമിച്ചിടുന്നു ഞാൻ വിഭോ. കോപമത്സരാദിയൻ മനസ്സിലേശിടാതെയും നീ ഭരിച്ചു കാത്തുകൊള്ളുക ഞങ്ങളെ ദയാനിധേ. ജഗദീശരാത്രിയും ശശാങ്കതാരകങ്ങളും പകലുമർക്കബിംബവും നിറഞ്ഞ മേഘജാലവും മൃഗകദംബ പക്ഷി വൃക്ഷ പുഷ്പശലഭവൃന്ദവും മികവിൽ നിന്റെ വൈഭവങ്ങൾ വാഴ്ത്തിടുന്നു ദൈവമേ.
A warm good morning to all. Honorable Chairman of our School Management, Professor R. Jayachandran sir, our respected Secretary, Professor P.K. Raji sir, Guest of the Day, Ashwati Srinivas IAS, all esteemed members of our school management, parents, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear loving students. A warm welcome to you all to this Merit Day Eve. It is a matter of great honor and pleasure to appreciate and reward the hard work as well as performance of our students of class 10 and 12 in the board exams 2020. Our school truly believes that good education plays a crucial role in building the bright future of our children. Therefore, here in Lords, we are committed to provide an atmosphere to our students where they can imbibe good values and learn new things every day. I am extremely glad at the fact that our school management members and teachers are leaving no stone unturned in moving towards this direction. Our students have not only made us proud, but also brought accolades to our school and have given it a nationwide recognition, thus adding an extra feather to its cap. So, today the school will honor the students based on the grounds of the percentage achieved by them and also motivate all the students who worked very hard but couldn't hit their targets. I express my heartiest gratitude to all teachers and parents for the support and collective effort towards the development of these young talents, grooming them to achieve something substantial in life, and above all, raising them with a benign attitude. Now let me come to my duty to welcome you all to this Merit Day Eve. At the very outset, I would like to welcome our Honorable Chairman, Professor R. Jayachandran sir, on behalf of Lord's family, and I personally extend a warm welcome to Professor R. Jayachandran sir. I also express my heartiest welcome to our respected Secretary, Professor P.K. Raji sir, and all esteemed management members. Today we are very much privileged to have with us Ashwati Srinivas IAS, who is the 2019 Kerala topper with an AIR 40, All India rank 40. On behalf of Lord's family, and I personally extend a sincere and warm welcome to Ashwati Srinivas. Ma'am, a warm welcome to you to this Merit Day Eve. I also welcome all the parents, teachers, non-teaching staff, and students to this Merit Day Eve. Now we will be having Ashwati Srinivas with her motivational talk for our students. Let us hear what Ashwati Srinivas has to say to our students. Thank you so much. Thank you.
A warm good morning to one and all. Respected Principal Madam Dr. Sushma Mohan, Chairman Professor Jayachandran Sir, beloved teachers and my dear students of Lord's Public School. It's indeed a delight to have this opportunity to be the presenter of the keynote address in the Merit Award Ceremony 2020 of Lord's Public School. This opportunity reminds me of the time when I was there sitting as one amongst all of you during my school days, ardently listening to the great speeches given by the guests of honor. 10 years later, here I am today giving you all a speech. Life from there to here took its own path. 10 standard exams came, later came 12th standard exams, then came entrance exams, then university exams, and finally civil services exams. After surmounting the whole exam parade, life doesn't seem to have entered a vacation mode yet. It still goes on, eagerly waiting to head on and grasp every single opportunity that comes through. This progression of life was never smooth. It was like a sine wave. It had its own series of ups and downs. Every up of the life wave was tremendously celebrated, and every failure was equally accepted. Looking back, I'm more grateful for those downs that I experienced. Rather than counting every down as a failure, I would call them preparation for the best that is yet to come. Now, here, amongst all of us, there might be some who must be wondering, why did I start off with this life recap of mine? It is for nothing else, rather to shout out to all of you that ups and downs are normal. There will be a few here who are happy with their marks, and there will be a few who aren't as happy. Trust me, either is fine. If you're happy, then there lies an opportunity to move on to the next phase without looking back. And if you aren't happy, then again lies a unique opportunity to move on to the next phase of your life, but this time by looking back, by working on those things that didn't go well as you expected them to be. Give those things your perspective and move on by correcting them. Education is the key pillar for any society to become a civilized society. And in you all lies the hopes of becoming instruments of change in converting our society to a civilized society. Now, change is an important word, right? That's what we all aspire for, change in the right direction. We all can be barriers of change in many ways. To contain the pandemic that is COVID-19, which has been battling with humanity all around our planet across different countries, we can be barriers of change by observing social distance, wearing masks and using sanitizers. By respecting everyone around us, regardless of their gender, their caste, their religion, their place of birth and their occupation, again we can be barriers of change. In a world enthralled with violence and hate against anything a minority, you would be giving hope to new mornings of inclusivity and equality. Again, you all can be barriers of change by reading, rereading and reading. Reading is magical. It opens your minds to new ideas, new themes, new worlds, new characters. It immerses you in a new planet. By the time you come out of that planet, you would have made friends with new characters, new locations, and new ideas. It will help you explore yourself and improve yourself. Always remember, one need not necessarily become an adult to bring about changes. When you look at history and when you look at the contemporary events happening in our country, you can see many such children who have made revolutionary changes by whatever has been possible in their ambit. Malala Yousafzai, Anne Frank, Greta Thunberg are few names that we all know. So recognize your inner power and your inner strength. Every single one of you is unique and precious in your own way. Shed away all that's holding you back and steer into the beauty that life is. But always remember, While building your beautiful life, you should build it in such a way that there are ladders that are being constructed for rest of the humanity also to climb up along with you to live that beautiful life. I wish you all every success in every walk of life. Thank you.
Good morning all, respected principal, management members, teachers and my dear students. I have been working as a mathematics teacher in Lord's Public School for the past 10 years. We all know in this year our school scaled new heights in CBSE result. Our student Miss Ashima Das of Standard 10 scored 493 out of 500 and became the district topper. And as a mathematics teacher, I am proud to inform you that in this year, two students, Ashima Das and Ganesh, got full mark in mathematics. In this fine occasion, I express my sincere gratitude to our principal, Dr. Sushma Mohan Ma'am, management members, and my dear colleagues for their sincere support and helps. Once again, I thanks to my dear students and their parents for making the institution best. Congrats all the winners and thank you and have a nice day.
Hi all. It gives me immense pride and pleasure to congratulate the Gems of Lord's Public School who made us proud by scoring high marks in their examination, which helps us to keep and sustain the great legacy of Lord's Public School. My dear children, education, it is said, makes men wise, witty and emotional. Each student should be a producer and a doer as well as a good citizen, not a sponge on another person. Fortunately, the third revolution in education tends to develop the qualities that should be developed. My dear children, remember life is a process of endless effort. It demands great strength to achieve your goals. So there is a saying, if you cannot fly, try to run. If you cannot run, try to walk. If you cannot walk, creep. Never weep, and keep in mind, hope sustains life. Once again, on behalf of all teaching community of Lord's Public School, I congratulate you on your great achievement. ഓർക്കുക, നിങ്ങളുടെ മുന്നോട്ടുള്ള യാത്രകളിൽ എപ്പോഴും നിങ്ങൾ ഓർത്തിരിക്കുക, കണ്ണുവേണം ഇരുപുറം എപ്പോഴും, കണ്ണുവേണം മുകളിലും താഴെയും, കണ്ണിലെപ്പോഴും കത്തിജ്വലിക്കും ഉൾക്കണ്ണുവേണം അണയാത്ത കണ്ണ്. താങ്ക് യു.
Hi everyone, I am Shalini, class teacher of 10D. As the class teacher of 10th standard, I feel very proud at this moment. Our students had secured excellent results in 2019-20 board examination. It is because of their hard work and dedication that they have achieved such a good result. I take this opportunity to thank our management and our principal Dr. Sushma Mohan. They had always been a constant support for the students. I wish all the students good luck and I am sure that you all will come out in flying colors in your future. Thank you.
I am Lydia Pai, class teacher of plus 2. In this occasion, I feel proud of my children who have passed out with flying colors in the board examination. I especially congratulate Amanamji for being school topper and also congratulate all my children for their achievements. If anyone is not satisfied with their result, please don't stay depressed. Life is long and you can reach great heights. I express my sincere gratitude towards our principal, Dr. Sushma Mohan, management, teachers, parents, and entire Lord's family for honoring our children. Thank you.
This year, our students brought wonderful results. My dear students, your performance was great. It is a result of your hard work. I am very much delightful and proud to be your teacher. I congratulate each and every one of you for your excellent performance. I wish you all success in future also. May God bless you all. Thank you.
ഹരി ഓം. ഞാൻ ശങ്കർ സാഹി, PTA പ്രസിഡന്റ്. എനിക്ക് ഏറ്റവും പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട എല്ലാ വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനികൾക്കും എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു. ഒപ്പം എൻ്റെ പ്രാർത്ഥനയും സമർപ്പിക്കുന്നു. ഹരി ഓം.
പ്രിയപ്പെട്ടവരെ, ഇക്കഴിഞ്ഞ CBSE പരീക്ഷയിൽ ഉന്നത വിജയം കരസ്ഥമാക്കി ലോർഡ്സ് സ്കൂളിന്റെയും നമ്മുടെ നാടിന്റെയും അഭിമാനഭാജനമായി മാറിയ 10ാം തരത്തിലെയും 12ാം തരത്തിലെയും മിടുക്കരെ ആദരിക്കുന്ന ചടങ്ങാണ് ഇനി നടക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. വരും കാല പരീക്ഷകളിലും ജീവിതത്തിലും വിജയിച്ച് മുന്നേറാൻ ജഗദീശ്വരൻ ഇവരെ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ചടങ്ങിലേക്ക് കടക്കുന്നു.
Success is never an accident, but is the result of a deliberate effort put forward to. In this grand function of congratulating the 10th standard students who has come out in flying colors, we feel proud to honor the national level 8th rank holder, the district topper, and the school topper. Yes, is our favorite Ashima Das, daughter of Mrs. Srija Robert and Mr. Eshudasan. Our heads can be held high because she has scored 493 marks out of 500. She has got full marks in mathematics and social science. She is also the subject topper of Malayalam. Her hard work and sincerity has helped her in this great achievement. She is equally good in non-academics also. Being very humble and polite in nature, she can be an ideal for anyone to follow. Congratulations, Ashima. The blessings of Lords would always be there with you in your future also.
Good morning everyone. I am Ashima Das. I completed my class 10 from Lord's Public School, Karnatpalli. By God's grace, I secured 493 out of 500 and secured full marks in maths and social science. I feel so proud to be the school topper and subject topper of maths and social science. First of all, I would like to thank God for always being with me at every step of my life. In this occasion, I would like to thank our principal Dr. Sushma Mohan ma'am, my class teacher Shalini ma'am, and all the other teachers who helped me and motivated me to achieve this. From the beginning of my class 10, I set my target of getting 95% or more in my board exams. I would also like to thank my parents, whom I consider the best in the world, and my friends who always encouraged me. Thank you guys, thank you for your support. I would like to specially thank for honoring us. Let it be a motivation for many other students to achieve this goal. Thank you and have a great day.
അമാന മുജീബ് ശ്രീ മുജീബിന്റെയും ശ്രീമതി ഹസീനയുടെയും മകളായ അമാന മുജീബിന് CBSE 12ാം തരം പരീക്ഷയിൽ ഉന്നത വിജയം നേടാനായി. ലോർഡ്സിന്റെ അഭിമാനമായി മാറിയ അമാന പ്രസംഗ മത്സര വേദികളിൽ മികച്ച പ്രകടനം കാഴ്ചവച്ചിട്ടുള്ള മിടുക്കിയാണ്. അമാനയ്ക്ക് ഭാവി പരീക്ഷകളിലും ജീവിതത്തിലും മികച്ച നേട്ടങ്ങൾ കൈവരിക്കാനാകട്ടെയെന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
Hi, I'm Amana Mujib. I completed my school education in Lord's Public School and I became the school first in my class 12 board exam. I'm so honored to be the recipient of this award. It is a great inspiration for me and my schoolmates. First of all, I thank Almighty for being with me. I thank my beloved principal, Ma'am Dr. Sushma Mohan, our management, my class teacher Latika Ma'am, and our librarian Asha Ma'am, and all my dear subject teachers, the force behind my success. And also, I thank my dear friends and family for their support and guidance. Thanks to all of you. Thank you, Lost family. And work hard, be kind, and amazing things will happen. Thank you.
ദൃഷ്ടി അനിൽ ശ്രീ അനിലിന്റെയും ശ്രീമതി ഊർമിളയുടെയും മകളായ ദൃഷ്ടി അനിലിന് CBSE 12ാം തരം പരീക്ഷയിൽ മികച്ച വിജയം നേടി ലോർഡ്സിന്റെ അഭിമാനമായി മാറാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഡാൻസിലും പാട്ടിലും മികച്ച പ്രകടനം കാഴ്ചവച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ദൃഷ്ടി അനിലിന് ഭാവി പരീക്ഷകളിലും ജീവിതത്തിലും മികച്ച നേട്ടങ്ങൾ കൈവരിക്കാനാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
I am Drishti Anil, student of Lord's Public School. I really feel glad and happy to be at the 5th position and also to be the subject topper in the subject English. I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards our principal ma'am, Dr. Sushma Mohan, management, to our class teacher Latika ma'am, teachers, and of course to my parents and my friends who have supported me throughout the journey. Thank you.
മീനാക്ഷി CBSE 10ാം തരം പരീക്ഷയിൽ എല്ലാ വിഷയത്തിനും A+, 96.2% മാർക്ക് വാങ്ങി വിജയിച്ച് ലോർഡ്സിന്റെ അഭിമാനമായി മാറിയ മീനാക്ഷിക്ക് മലയാളം വിഷയത്തിന് 100ൽ 100 മാർക്കും വാങ്ങാനായി. ശ്രീ ഉണ്ണികൃഷ്ണന്റെയും ശ്രീമതി സുനിതയുടെയും മകളായ മീനാക്ഷിക്ക് ഭാവി പരീക്ഷകളിലും ജീവിതത്തിലും മികച്ച നേട്ടങ്ങൾ കൈവരിക്കാനാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
Hi everyone, I'm Meenakshi S. I completed my class 10 in Lord's Public School, Karnagapalli. I have been studying in the school for past 12 years. By God's grace, I was able to score full A1 in CBSE board exams. And I'm also glad to say that I'm the subject topper of Malayalam by scoring 98 marks. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards my dear principal, Dr. Sushma Mohan ma'am, the management of our school and all my dear teachers, especially Sabida ma'am, my class teacher, who always motivated me and supported me to reach the goal. Another huge thanks to my family, who has always been a silent force behind all my success. At last but not the least, my dear friends, who always encouraged me and supported me. There is no shortcut behind my success. When I entered 10th, I always had a determination to score full A1. So I work hard and manage my time for each subject. Once again, I express my sincere gratitude for honoring us and giving such an occasion. Thank you and have a nice day.
Ananda Bhairavi has brought an excellent result to the school by scoring 97.6% in the 10th standard CBSE board exam. She is the subject topper of science. Ananda Bhairavi, daughter of Mrs. Smita and Mr. Vinod, is of a versatile personality. She is a good painter and a good dancer. Being an excellent artist, many a times she has brought fame for our school by participating in various painting competitions. While working hard for herself, she has helped her friends also in their studies. Congratulations, Ananda Bhairavi, and our blessings would always be there with you.
Hi, I am Ananda Bhairavi of Lord's Public School, Karnagapalli, passed out from 2019-20 10th batch. First and foremost, I would like to thank God for His never-ending grace and blessings showered on me. I am very happy that I secured 99 marks in social and maths and 98 in science and English. And with 98 marks, I secured the top mark for science in my school. I would like to thank my parents, without whom it could be impossible for me to achieve this success. Thank you for believing in me and for your support. I would also like to thank my teachers, especially my class teacher Sabida ma'am, who is always there for me, and my principal doctors Sushma Mohan ma'am and management staff, especially Professor Rajisa, who is behind all our success. Thank you. I would also like to thank my friends for their wholehearted support and never-ending love. Thank you guys. There is no secret behind my success. It's just dedication, time management and hard work that leads me to my goal. Again, thanking all of you for arranging such an occasion for honoring us. Wishing you all a best day and thank you.
നന്ദന താജ് ഇക്കഴിഞ്ഞ CBSE 10ാം ക്ലാസ് പരീക്ഷയിൽ 96% മാർക്ക് വാങ്ങി വിജയിച്ച് ലോർഡ്സിന്റെ അഭിമാനമായി മാറിയ കുമാരി നന്ദന താജ് ശ്രീ താജിന്റെയും ശ്രീമതി രശ്മിയുടെയും മകളാണ്. പാഠ്യേതര വിഷയങ്ങളിൽ മികച്ച നിലവാരം പുലർത്തിയിരുന്ന നന്ദന താജ് അധ്യാപകരുടെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട കുട്ടിയായിരുന്നു. നന്ദന താജിന് ഭാവി പരീക്ഷകളിലും ജീവിതത്തിലും മികച്ച നേട്ടങ്ങൾ കൈവരിക്കാനാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
Hi everyone, I am Nandana Taj. I completed my 10th in Lord's Public School, Karnagapalli. I have been studying in the school for the past 12 years. I feel so glad that with God's grace, I secured 96.4% in CBSE board exams. I would like to thank our beloved principal, Dr. Sushma Mohan ma'am, and the school management for facilitating me to score this. I would also like to thank our teachers who helped us a lot. Especially my class teacher Savita ma'am made it possible to get good marks in my weak subjects. I remember all the efforts taken by my teachers to help me to achieve this. I am very thankful to my parents, my teachers and my friends who stood by me and helped me. And I hope this success to each one of you. Thank you.
Sanjay R. Senin has brought an excellent result in the 10th standard CBSE board exam by scoring 96.2% marks. Sanjay, son of Mrs. Sajani S. and Mr. Ravi Senin, has been an active participant in various quiz competitions held in school level and inter-school level. Being a well-disciplined child, he has won the hearts of many. Congratulations, Sanjay, for your excellent performance, and be assured that our blessings would always be with you.
I am Sanjay. I scored 96% in CBSE 10 board examination. On this moment, I would like to thank my teachers and parents. It would be impossible for me to achieve this without them. Teachers guided me and supported me from the very beginning. They were there to clear all my doubts. Not only for me, but for all students, they were there to clear all the doubts. Next, I would like to thank my parents who worked really hard and cared me a lot. My inspiration was my cousins who achieved great marks in their examination. Once again, I thank all of them who supported me and guided me for achieving this. Thank you.
അമീന ഇക്ബാൽ ഇക്കഴിഞ്ഞ CBSE 10ാം ക്ലാസ് പരീക്ഷയിൽ 95% മാർക്ക് നേടി വിജയിച്ച് ലോർഡ്സിൻ്റെ അഭിമാനമായി മാറിയ അമീന ഇക്ബാൽ ശ്രീ ഇക്ബാലിൻ്റെയും ശ്രീമതി റീനയുടെയും മകളാണ്. പാഠ്യേതര വിഷയങ്ങളിൽ മികച്ച നിലവാരം പുലർത്തിയിരുന്ന അമീന ഇക്ബാൽ അധ്യാപകരുടെയെല്ലാം പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനിയായിരുന്നു. അമീന ഇക്ബാലിന് ഭാവി പരീക്ഷകളിലും ജീവിതത്തിലും മികച്ച നേട്ടങ്ങൾ കൈവരിക്കാനാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
I'm Amina Iqbal. I completed my 10th in Lord's Public School, Karnataka. I had been studying in Lord's for the past 12 years. I'm so happy and proud that I had scored 95% in my class in board. First of all, I'm grateful to God for giving me the ability to achieve this success. I would like to thank my principal, Dr. Sushma Mohan ma'am, and the management of our school for being so supportive and encouraging. Scoring good marks is not about being a better student, it's about having the best teachers. A heartfelt thanks to all my dear teachers who pushed me towards this great achievement. Especially, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my class teacher, Savita ma'am, for always being there for me in my ups and downs. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my friends and my parents who were the silent force behind my success. Thank you all and have a nice day.
Alicia, by scoring 94.8% in the CBSE board exam, has brought an excellent result to the school. She is a subject topper of English. Alicia, daughter of Mrs. Hasina and late Mr. Suhruddin, is an excellent writer. We are very proud to say that she has won the first prize in English versification in the state level youth festival held last year. Congratulations, Alicia, and the Lord's family bless you for a bright future.
Hello everyone, my name is Alicia S. and I'm a former student of Lord's Public School, Karnataka. I'm so honored to receive a meritorious award from this school, and I would like to express my gratitude to each and every person who made this possible. It's been about a month since board exam results came out, and I'm so happy to be able to score 94.8% overall and even secure top marks in English. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to my dear principal, Dr. Sushma Mohan ma'am, all my teachers and my classmates who supported me unconditionally throughout this journey. I would like to express a sincere gratitude to my family who, without any bit of hesitation, helped me a lot and supported me all the while. And A special thanks to my English teachers Anish sir and Ranjit sir for clearing my doubts without which I could not have scored these marks. And a special thanks to my class teacher Shalini ma'am, who has been with me for a long time and who is practically like my own mother to me. So a very big thank you to you ma'am. Everyone, thank you and have a nice day.
ഗണേഷ് എസ് ഇക്കഴിഞ്ഞ CBSE 10ാം ക്ലാസ് പരീക്ഷയിൽ 94% മാർക്ക് വാങ്ങി വിജയിച്ച് ലോർഡ്സിൻ്റെ അഭിമാനമായി മാറിയ ഗണേഷ് ഡോക്ടർ ജി സാജൻ്റെയും ഡോക്ടർ ജി ഗാഥയുടെയും മകനാണ്. കണക്ക് പരീക്ഷയിൽ 100% മാർക്ക് വാങ്ങിയ മിടുക്കനായ ഗണേഷ് അധ്യാപകരുടെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട വിദ്യാർത്ഥിയായിരുന്നു. ഗണേഷിനും ഭാവി പരീക്ഷകളിലും ജീവിതത്തിലും മികച്ച നേട്ടങ്ങൾ കൈവരിക്കാനാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
I've been studying in Lord's Public School for 12 years, from class LKG to 10th. I have scored 94.6% in CBSE board exams and 100% in mathematics. This achievement could never have been done without the support of my teachers and my parents. I would like to especially thank my principal ma'am, Dr. Sushma ma'am, and my class teachers, Sabita ma'am and Shalini ma'am. There have been ups and downs, but every time I fell down, my teachers were here to help me through everything. They worked hard and I could never have achieved this without them. I would also like to thank our vice principals, Srilata ma'am and Elsath ma'am, for making this journey enjoyable. I would also like to thank AKS Education for honoring us with these awards. Thank you all.
Nandana S, by scoring 93.4% marks, has excelled in her performance in the 10th standard CBSE board examination. Nandana, daughter of Mrs. Sajita S. and Mr. Babakutan, is a very obedient and well-mannered child. Whatever work is assigned to her, she does it in a perfect way, and her attempt has not become futile. Congratulations, Nandana, and Lordsians wish you for a bright future.
Hello, my name is Sandana. I completed my class 10 in Lord's Public School. I'm very happy to score 93.4% in the exam. First of all, I have to thank God for always being with me at every stage of my life. Apart from God, many people contributed to my success. Sometimes in life, we meet someone who changes our view about life. Our beloved principal, Dr. Sushma Mohan ma'am, is one such person in my life. The way she motivated and inspired us cannot be expressed in words. She taught us to have a positive attitude towards our life. And I have to thank the school management and teachers for supporting me. Wherever I fell down, they was always with me to make me up. And I have to specially thank my class teacher, Shalini ma'am, who was always with me. And last but not the least, I have to thank my parents and my dear friends for making me more stronger. Thank you.
ശ്രീറാം ഇക്കഴിഞ്ഞ CBSE 10ാം ക്ലാസ് പരീക്ഷയിൽ 93% മാർക്ക് വാങ്ങി വിജയിച്ച് ലോർഡ്സിൻ്റെ അഭിമാനമായി മാറിയ ശ്രീറാം ശ്രീ പ്രകാശിൻ്റെയും ശ്രീമതി ലക്ഷ്മിയുടെയും മകനാണ്. വഞ്ചിനാട് സഹോദയ കലോത്സവങ്ങളിൽ ഗിറ്റാർ വാദനത്തിന് നിരവധി തവണ സമ്മാനങ്ങൾ വാങ്ങിയിട്ടുള്ള മിടുക്കനായ വിദ്യാർത്ഥിയായിരുന്നു ശ്രീറാം. അധ്യാപകരുടെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട വിദ്യാർത്ഥിയായ ശ്രീറാമിന് ഭാവി പരീക്ഷകളിലും ജീവിതത്തിലും മികച്ച നേട്ടങ്ങൾ കൈവരിക്കാനാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
Hi, I'm Sriram BL. I'm here to thank all my teachers who helped me scoring such a good marks in the 10th CBSE board examinations. And I also take this opportunity to thank our beloved principal ma'am, Dr. Sushma Mohan, for guiding us towards this success. Thanks a lot, teachers.
In this grand function of congratulating the 10th standard students for their excellent performance in the CBSE board examination of the academic year 2019-20, the next to be honored is Hridin Deepa, who has scored 91.6% marks. Hridin, daughter of Mrs. Deepa and Mr. Harikumar, is very quiet and calm in nature. She has very enthusiastically participated in all the extracurricular activities of the school. Congratulations, Hridin, and our blessings would be with you forever.
Hi everyone, I am Hridin Deva. I completed my class 10 in Lord's Public School, Karnapalli. I had been studying this school for the past 12 years. I am very glad that the God's grace has secured 91.6% in CBSE board exam. I would like to thank my beloved principal, Dr. Sushma Mohan ma'am, and management for facilitating us a lot. I would also like to thank my teachers who helped me in each subject, especially my class teacher Sabida ma'am for supporting us a lot. At last but not the least, I would like to thank my parents and all my dear friends for being there for me and support me to secure these marks. I hope to success to each one of you. Once again, I express my sincere gratitude for honoring us and giving us such an occasion. Thank you and have a nice day.
ഗോപിക കൃഷ്ണൻ ഇക്കഴിഞ്ഞ CBSE 10ാം ക്ലാസ് പരീക്ഷയിൽ 91% മാർക്ക് വാങ്ങി വിജയിച്ച് ലോർഡ്സിൻ്റെ അഭിമാനമായി മാറിയ ഗോപിക കൃഷ്ണൻ ശ്രീ പി ഉണ്ണികൃഷ്ണപിള്ളയുടെയും ശ്രീമതി ജയയുടെയും മകളാണ്. പാഠ്യേതര വിഷയങ്ങളിൽ മികച്ച നിലവാരം പുലർത്തിയിരുന്ന ഗോപിക കൃഷ്ണൻ അധ്യാപകരുടെയെല്ലാം പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനി ആയിരുന്നു. ഗോപിക കൃഷ്ണന് ഭാവി പരീക്ഷകളിലും ജീവിതത്തിലും മികച്ച നേട്ടങ്ങൾ കൈവരിക്കാനാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
Hi everyone, I am Gopika Krishnan. I completed my class 10 in Lord's Public School, Karnagapalli. By God's grace, I secured 91% mark in my 10th board exam. In this occasion, I would like to thank our beloved principal, Dr. Sushma Mohan ma'am, and our class teachers, Sabida ma'am and Shalini ma'am, for being encouraging us to achieve my goals. A heartfelt gratitude to all my teachers for being with me throughout my ups and downs, and for who spent their valuable times to educate us. The influence of a good teacher can't be erased. They supported me when I was weak, and they enlightened me all through. Thank you all my teacher for continuously inspires me and motivating me to do my best. Thank you Lord's Public School for giving me a meritorious award. Thank you and have a nice day.
Humayun, who has scored 90.8% marks in the 10th standard CBSE board exam, has to be appreciated for his hard work and dedication towards what his mind is set on. Humayun, son of Mrs. Beena Rahman and Mr. Muhammad Ashraf, is very calm and quiet in nature and well disciplined. He has been an active participant in non-academics also. Congratulations, Humayun, and the Lord's family bless you for a bright future.
Hi friends, my name is Humayun Muhammad. With my effort and God's blessing, I got 90.8% marks in CBSE Standard 10 exam. In this moment, I thank my beloved principal, Dr. Sushma ma'am, and my all beloved teachers and my friends. Thank you.
ഡെറിൻ ഇക്കഴിഞ്ഞ CBSE 10ാം ക്ലാസ് പരീക്ഷയിൽ 90.2% മാർക്ക് വാങ്ങി വിജയിച്ച് ലോർഡ്സിൻ്റെ അഭിമാനമായി മാറിയ ഡെറിൻ ശ്രീ എബി ജോണിൻ്റെയും ശ്രീമതി ഷേർലിയുടെയും മകളാണ്. പാഠ്യേതര വിഷയങ്ങളിൽ മികച്ച നിലവാരം പുലർത്തിയിരുന്ന ഡെറിൻ അധ്യാപകരുടെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനിയായിരുന്നു. ഡെറിന് ഭാവി പരീക്ഷകളിലും ജീവിതത്തിലും മികച്ച വിജയങ്ങൾ നേടാനാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
Hi everyone.
Saibi. I have completed my high school education from Lord's Public School, Karunapalli, with an aggregate of 90.2%. First of all, I am thankful to Almighty for this success. In my journey from LKG to 10th standard for the 12 years, lots of people come and go, but some remains constant in my heart. They are my teachers, who stood with me in all my ups and downs. They have done a great job in molding me in every sense. And of course, my school and its atmosphere also give me a positive vibe. Then my parents also done a major role for stepping me in this level. Last but not least, my friends. I cannot forget them because they are not just my friends but my family. So, ending up my words by thanking everyone once more for my success. Thank you.
Arsin Ahmed. While honoring Arsin Ahmed, his hard work and sincerity has to be honored first. He has scored 90% marks in the 10th standard CBSE board examination. Arsin, son of Mrs. Shaija and Mr. Munir Ahmed, is punctual and well disciplined. He is equally good in non-academics also. Congratulations, Arsin, for your excellent performance, and also assure that our blessings would always be there with you.
Hello everyone, I am Arsin Ahmed. I came from Karunagapalli. I completed my 10th degree on Lord's Public School. I have been there for past 10 years. By God's grace, I scored 90% marks in the final exam conducted by Central Board of Secondary Education. First of all, I am thanking to my parents and relatives who always supported me to achieve this goal. I am sincerely thanking to all my teachers, especially our class teacher, Sabida ma'am and Shalini ma'am, our principal Dr. Sushma ma'am, and all our management staff for supporting us. Last but not the least, I am thanking to all my friends encouraging me to achieve this goal. Again, I am thanking you all for supporting us to achieve this feat. Thank you.
Greeting to all. It is my privilege to say a few words of gratitude to all those who took part in this Merit Day function. First of all, I thank Honorable Guest of the Day, Dr. Ashwati Srinivas IAS. She is a good example of success to our students. Thank you, ma'am, for your motivational talk. Next, I thank a respected Chairman of School Management, Professor R. Jayachandran, for his support and cooperation. Thank you, sir. Next, I thank our respected Secretary, Professor P.K. Reggie, who is always with us. Thank you, sir, for your support. Next, I thank our esteemed members of the management who has always been strong support for us. Thank you all. Next, I thank our former teacher, Mrs. Baby Elizabeth, to grace this occasion. A special thanks to our guide and mentor, the principal of Lord's Public School, Dr. Sushma Mohan, for her effort in making our students to reach their goal. Thank you, ma'am. Your support and cooperation and to make this event a grand success. Next, very important, I thank our students, those who receive laurels for the school. I wish all success in your future. Thank you. Next, I thank our PTA President, teaching and non-teaching staff, parents and their students. On behalf of the Lord's family and my personal behalf, I extend a sincere gratitude to all. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे